Come test drive 2012 Town & Country. Town & Country's V6 engine provides plenty of power while still providing the fuel efficiency you look for in a vehicle. Tow up to 3,600 pounds when your Town & Country is equipped with a towing prep package. Seat 7 comfortably and choose from stow and go seating or the innovative swivel and go seating. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, third row seat, quad seating, air conditioning, power steering, home link garage door opener, aluminum wheels, cruise control, auto headlight on off. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.